Hey everyone, just a quick update on the maintenance of the car. Did the oil change a couple days ago, but didn't have a grease gun. So I went out and picked up a grease gun from AutoZone and had to buy this flexible hose to get it on here. So I've been under here greasing the grease zerks on the Crown Victoria. We got I don't know how many there is. 1, 2, 3. Hang on, I got 1, 2, 3 on the swipe bar link. You got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 right there, and 9 and 10, but I'm having trouble getting to those, so I'm gonna have to maybe put this on the ground and try to get from a different way. I'm not real sure how I'm gonna go about getting those. Having trouble getting the spigot on there from this angle. So in 1 second here, I'll try to have these done. Anyhow, I believe there's 10 fittings if I'm not mistaken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait. Okay, no. Okay, yeah. 10, I believe. Right back. Okay, so as you can see, well, you can't see it, but I got the other 2 done. Took a little bit of effort, but those 2 done. Alright, thanks for watching. So just a quick recap here. Did my oil change, grease fittings, changed the filter. I don't have a picture of the filter here, just have the receipt for the oil filter and the oil that I bought. I bought 6 quarts. I know it car only says it requires 5, but I bought an extra quart just in case I would need it. Total was $22.93 at $2.99 a quart. Which I'm not real sure how they came up with that, because the price on the shelf said it was $5.49. So I guess that's a good deal for me. Anyhow, the filter was $3.99, or I'm sorry, no, $3.49, and the tax was $1.50. Filter was a 21372 MP, and the oil is 5W30 Napa oil, which is actually made by, right there it is, designed by Valvoline. The oil has been used in my car all this time. Okay, thanks for watching.